Hello everyone. Root chakra talks about uprooting something, means taking out things from the survival. So अगर आपको कोई चीज़ जड़ से ख़त्म करनी है, so you need to work on the root chakra. या कोई चीज़ बार बार आपके सर्वाइवल इशू में आती है, like you are not able to survive your life, you are not able to survive into relationships, you are not able to survive into the job, like it's on your survival. The issue is about your survival. So work on your root chakra and make this mudra with earth element, because root is a chakra of earth element. And then if relationship is a big issue, I mean to say you have trouble into every relationship and you're not able to maintain the emotional balance, then you need to work on the sacral chakra and you have to make this mudra. This is for water element, balancing the water element of your body and the sacral chakra. Then if the issue is about me, like if it's about I, willpower, कि आप अपने आप को आइडेंटिटी नहीं बना पा रहे हैं अपने आप को दुनिया के सामने प्रेजेंट ही नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. सो द इशू इज अबाउट द सोलर प्लेक्सिस चक्रा एंड दिस इज अ चक्र ऑफ फायर एलिमेंट. तो उसके लिए भी हम इस मुद्रा को अर्थ एंड फायर के कॉम्बिनेशन से बनाते हैं. देन इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द हार्ट चक्रा, इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू फील द कंपैशन, या आपको लगता है आपकी लाइफ में आपको कोई ऐसे फीलिंग आती है कि नो वन लव्स मी, लाइक, and then unconditional love does not flow out of your life or in your life. So it's an imbalance of your heart chakra. Your heart is not open and there is a problem in giving as well as receiving also. Receiving also comes from the heart chakra. So then you need to work on the heart chakra and with this mudra. This is the mudra of heart chakra. If communication and creativity is a problem, you want to explore, like you want to express your creativity, the expression, the communication and the creativity comes from the throat chakra, and this is a chakra of space element. So you have to work like this, the mudra with the middle finger. And then if you are not able to see other person's perspective, you might be thinking I am discussing about the problems. Yes, we will talk about the positive points also. So if there is imbalance in your third eye chakra, you just talk about I am right, I can't see the other person's perspective. So your other person's the vision to see other person's perspective is not open here, and this is the chakra of light. So work on the third eye chakra, and then for third eye chakra you can make this mudra. This is called Hakini mudra for balancing the left and right side of your life, yin and yang energy. And then if it's about the crown chakra, you are not able to evolve like you want to explore spirituality but you are not able to evolve up to that level, then work on the crown chakra and then you see the magic. And for that you can work with the dhyan mudra like this, or you can do like this, the namaste mudra. So this is all about mudras and chakras. So if you want to know more in detail, you can connect with us.